to your Friday market wrap-up, traders and investors. I'm Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI Wealth Creation Investing, and I called it. No two ways about it, folks. This 6-week rally was built on nothing but low volume and junior traders. And now that all the traders are back from their fifth home in the Hamptons and hanging out with their girlfriends and wives, the market's getting serious. The Fed chief is going to speak this morning in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, but it doesn't matter. Globally, things are getting worse, and folks that have said, well, it's kind of priced in the market are wrong. And I've been telling you guys that these folks have been wrong. China is weakening. Greece, the Grexit is going to happen. If it's disorderly or orderly, that remains to be seen. We have the president, it's reported today, trying to do drug deals with folks. Hey, keep Greece in the Eurozone, please, until election day. He's begging Israel not to attack Iran before election day. World politics, everybody sees through it. It's so transparent that it's ridiculous. And if you're not doing well in the market, you're not thinking as a strategic trader. Now, we've breached the all-important 1400 level on the SPX, and I've been saying this for the past couple weeks, and let's take a look at the chart. 1400 is the beachhead, and actually we're going to take a look at the past year. And we're going to talk about something I talked about in one of our Monday market outlooks. But this 1400 level, take a look at it. I called this and said, every time we've been through 1400 this year, we haven't held it. We went through 1400 in March, pulled back in April. Went through it for a little bit end of April, beginning of May. And then sell off, up above 1400. We will not hold 1400, folks. Again, I said this repeatedly. If you're a regular viewer, you know I've said this, and I've positioned my portfolio accordingly to profit from it, and it's going great. We will not hold 1400 with 15% real unemployment, with an election coming up, with the fiscal cliff, with China weakening, with Europe weakening, with the potential for war in the Middle East, literally in the Middle East, from Syria to Israel and Iran. There is way too much going on in the world right now, folks, for the market to be this happy. It is way overbought. And if you're betting on a market rally based on the Fed coming to the rescue in September, you're nuts. Look at volatility. A couple weeks ago, or I think on our Monday, yeah, there it is. Look at that. When I talked to you on Monday, I said we are at 5-year lows with volatility. Look at this. We're at 1350 on the VIX. Now look at where we are today. Almost $16. You want to talk about a heck of a rally? That is just incredible. $2.50. That's for when the VIX is at 1350 to rally $2.50 is awesome. And I have a lot of VIX positions on that are doing great because of it. So again, write this down, folks. When vol is cheap, and it's still cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it, okay? Let's take a look at a 5-year chart of the VIX. Why? Because every time vol has been low, there we are. Hey, there's $16 vol. Everything's great. Boom, financial tsunami. Okay, world peace breaks out. Europe falls apart. Boom, spike in the VIX. We lose our AAA credit rating. More Europe issues. Boom. Same thing is happening, folks. So keep an eye on the VIX. And if you are not hedged for volatility, you have got to do it now. I'm looking at the Wall Street Journal, and I'm down here in South Florida, and there's a tropical storm, supposed to hit this weekend. Do you think if I walk outside and go next door to the insurance company that I can get homeowners insurance? Yeah, probably, but they're going to ask for $1 trillion in my firstborn. And a pint of blood. I mean, seriously, folks, please listen to what I'm telling you. And the folks at Wealth Creation with Options in my live trading sessions are doing great. We have some great hedges on from gold to USO. I mean, look at this one USO trade. USO is a bullish bet on oil. We took in a credit due to this. We took in a credit, I forget how much it was, but actually got paid to put this excuse me, bullish trade on USO, and it's up $1,800 or 132%. We have VXX hedges on as well. We have SDS, which are bearish on the S&P on. So folks, make sure you get protected, because this type of market, it was destined to come back. And the people that make the good money know that this was going to happen and didn't believe that rally. Okay? So, all right, folks, I got to get back to trading. Sending out some trade alerts to some Top Gun Options folks and our Wealth Creation options traders. Folks, if you're not in any of our live trading services or trade alert services, you have to be. Okay? Do not trade this market solo. If you're trying to trade this market solo and trade it as a tactical trader, meaning, hey, we've been up 6 weeks in a row, it can only go up. You're going to blow out and just go bury your money in the yard, because you shouldn't be in the market, okay? You need to be a strategic trader. Get your binoculars out, look out of the trenches and see what's going on around the world before you pull the trigger on any real capital, okay? So I got to get back to trading. Have a great weekend. I'm glad the market's pulling back because I'm making money on it. So have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday's Market Outlook.